Fidelity Investments is a multinational financial services corporation based in Boston, Massachusetts. It is one of the largest and most diversified financial services providers in the world, offering a broad range of products and services to individuals, institutions, and financial intermediaries. The company had more than $10 trillion in total customer assets. Fidelity operates in a range of financial domains. Here are some of the key areas. Brokerage services. Fidelity provides a full suite of brokerage services to individual investors, allowing them to trade a wide range of securities, including stocks, bonds, options, and mutual funds. The company's brokerage platform is known for its user-friendly interface, comprehensive research tools, and competitive pricing. Retirement services. Fidelity is a leading provider of retirement services, including individual retirement accounts, IRAs, Roth IRAs, and 401(k) plans. The company provides resources and tools to help individuals plan for retirement, assess their retirement readiness, and manage their retirement accounts. Asset management. Fidelity is one of the world's largest asset management firms, managing a broad array of mutual funds across different asset classes and investment styles. The company's mutual funds are used by individual investors, financial advisors, and institutions around the world. Financial planning and advisory services. Fidelity offers financial planning and advisory services to help individuals and families plan for their financial future. This includes creating a personalized financial plan, providing investment advice, and offering wealth management services. Custody and clearing services. Through its subsidiary, National Financial Services LLC, Fidelity provides custody and clearing services to broker-dealers, registered investment advisors, and other financial institutions. These services include trade execution, settlement, and record-keeping. Workplace investing. Fidelity provides a range of services to employers and their employees, including 401(k) administration, health and benefits administration, and stock plan services. Fidelity Charitable. Fidelity Charitable is an independent public charity that has a donor-advised fund program. It allows donors to make a charitable contribution, receive an immediate tax deduction, and recommend grants from the fund over time. Fintech and innovation. Fidelity is also active in the fintech space, investing in new technologies and innovative startups through its venture arm, Fidelity Labs. The company has shown interest in blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies and has a dedicated unit, Fidelity Digital Assets, providing cryptocurrency trading and custody services to institutional investors. Fidelity's broad array of services and its commitment to innovation have made it a leader in the financial services industry. The firm has a reputation for strong customer service and a commitment to providing individuals with the tools and resources they need to make informed investment decisions. While Fidelity offers a wide range of services and products, it's essential for potential customers to do their due diligence before choosing a financial services provider. Factors such as fees, investment options, customer service, and company reputation should all be taken into account. Furthermore, while Fidelity is a well-established company with a strong reputation, it's important to remember that investing in the stock market always carries risks. Therefore, before making any investment decisions, it's crucial to thoroughly research your options, understand the risks involved, and consider consulting with a financial advisor. Fidelity is a diversified financial services company that offers a wide range of products and services to individuals and institutions. Whether you are an individual investor looking to trade stocks, a retiree seeking to manage your retirement funds, a company needing workplace investing services, or an institution requiring custody and clearing services, Fidelity has the capabilities to meet your needs. The company's commitment to customer service, innovative solutions, and investment in fintech make it a strong choice for those seeking a comprehensive financial services provider. But as with any financial decision, due diligence and careful consideration are key to ensuring the best outcomes. Investing with Fidelity gives you access to a broad range of investment options. These include individual stocks, bonds, CDs, options, and mutual funds, including Fidelity's own family of funds. Fidelity also offers ETFs, including sector ETFs, factor ETFs, and bond ETFs. Through Fidelity's robo-advisor service, Fidelity Go, you can also invest in a professionally managed portfolio. This service is designed for investors who prefer a hands-off approach to investing. After answering a series of questions about your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment timeline, Fidelity G